So this is what they make. Their birthday card for mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Thanks for making us food, cleaning all our messes, wash our clothes, and teaching us. And thank you for loving us. So, their auntie made this one. Spider-Man. Oh, look at her. Oh. And then, Eloise have a beautiful art here.
And almost my little foot.
Yeah? Did she draw that? Yeah, and then Auntie Jessica is writing the one they want to put in this card. Thank you, guys. Balingit. Can you sing Mommy happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
No, another one.
Hi. Thank you, Lord, for another year. 32 na si Manang. Tiguangers na, tiguang. Ah, Mommy will put this in our room.
Wait, one.
Thank you, Daddy. Oh, sinaning na bag. Sasa. Regalo ng Daddy. Open natin. Ano dito? Okay. Meron pa. Certification. Sumani. Lies. Nako ay sudlanan. Gamay kay sulod. Ay, nako. Di guys, so. Sito na siya.
Dili na siya. Ako mga borlowings. Suot na ni. Hindi kata. Ako ay sudlanan. Medyo hindi na siya surprise. Hinambog lang si Manang. Hindi na siya surprise guys. Not surprise. Malditang asawa nagkuan-kuan. Ay sa ka-earrings, wala pares. Kapalit ko bang, since birthday ni Mother, napalitan ni Father. So, muna na siya atong, ganahan kong stud na earrings guys, kaysa sa kanabitang earrings na magbitay. Masamot ko ako bangag ang akong dunggan, bang sa dunggan, hasta ng yat-yata. So, ganahan kong stud. Okay? Cover sa palit ng bangag. So, na siya guys. Thank you very much, my husband. So, hindi na siya sparkle, yung atong puti sa itong buhok, Zay. Wapang birthday ha, pero i-claim na ni Mother. Since na namin dito, siya papalit na lang sa imong gift na. Thank you very much, Daddy. Love you so much. Spoiled kayo na asawa. Hindi ako manangitang di pa sa balita ha. Love it. Pictures at me. So, nag-andam na si Mother. Okay, nag-andam yun ni Father sa Zazie. Paabot ko kayo, trabaho ko. Balik na tayo sa pasal. Iilok tagulan.
Beautiful day. Oh, pagking sunset. Out for dinner. Bantayan sa akong mga ugangan ang mga batsuta.
Want to look over there?
Sunset. Wait. That's pretty sunset, love. It's like there's something shining on that way. So, hunong sa ang mga person kay wala na basig makulgot ta katuwa sa dalan no na gasolin si amahan gasolina maganda sa kong gasolin pati man wala kong hidugo na napagilayagan na po baka buhat ay basta pagpanggaw sa bugas pimple ay pimple girl na Disuot ni kay match na regalo ni Zazie. Pintahan natin. So, inani mag-birthday guys, wala kay masyadong ganap. Wala kay daghan nga ganap-ganap din mag-birthday sa Amerika. Og sa tuwa pa ni ay na. Og naa kay kwarta nga ikapatuhog sa baboy ay wa na naglitso na. Tapos kaon daghang pamilya. Diri amang good pamilya lang ba niya. Tapos kuan. Kung gustuhan ko na maglitson-litson pa na. Mahal pug kaayo eh. Kaon na lang namo kami ron pud diri agud oy. Camera niya. Tapos mahal po siguro na magpakuan kag litson. Da kami na mag-angkaon. Tapos kada kuan na sa ako mga ugangan sila magbantay sa mga bata. Maskin sa pag mag night may mga in-laws na ko magbantay. Tapos mo lang to. Na akong sister-in-law sa buntag, mga bata, tapos trabaho si amahan. Tapos si nana pag uli, mga sa gawas, nana lang. That's how we do birthday here in America. Nothing festivities. Nana lang, simple lang. Pero napod gayuban nga, magkuan, maghanda nga pinabong. Depende na po doon na sa inyo ha. So, kini mga magtipid-tipid. Nagkagastuhan. So, basta mapasalamaton nga healthy ang atong pangluwas. So, ito chika no. Wala pa ang nag-andar na dahil may andar na nag-andar.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어
Sipat ah.
Sana all.
Pretending na our friends.
Good year?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah?
Good year. With club, your club. Pili pa. Pili sa loto. We're waiting. Nakubog naman dyan, nagkukup pa. Bye! Paano lang dami?
So one thing I've been thinking more about.
Dari sa inyo dati. Strawberry ang pecan. Daddy got Brussels sprouts, shrimp and steak. Yum. Pakahurot ang ulit sa salad. It's like the same what you ordered last time. Maybe? Because you had shrimp last time.
Not last time.
They're good. Let's eat. Whoop! Happy birthday, dear Maggie. Happy birthday to you.
Light on so she can see. Boys
Woohoo! Wow!
blow out your candles.
Very
Here's the
yummy.
frosting on the cupcakes.
Oh, that's pretty. Where did you just That's
We
pretty.
made it today.
Wow.
They helped make it, kind of.
Thank
They
you
were going to help
guys.
make
They
it.
were
Thank
so
you,
excited.
thank you.
Did you hear this?
Yeah, please. Mommy! And you try to stop
Okay,
it.
then you have to open your present.
Okay, I go whisper now.
Do what?
Has to do with
Oh, you have to do a wish.
And
Yeah.
you have to do your wish, yes. But
Okay.
I could have videotaped you.
Did you help Grandma Matias and Grandpa?
Oh.
You did.
No matter what.
Yeah.
Jeremy, are
Shots.
you feeling strong? I've been
I'll pop
needing
your
you to do this for a few days.
Oi!
But I
Okay, go ahead and do the breathing.
oh man, I feel very
Huh?
I feel very tense.
Bath salt. That might be good for my, for my achy shoulder.
That's because I'm kind of scared.
Just keep breathing.
Lots of chocolate.
Breathe.
This is like sakura, mom, like cherry blossom. Yeah. Pretty. This is for the ear.
Oh, you got some
Winter.
cherry blossom ones?
Yeah, it's like cherry blossom and bath bombs.
I love cherry blossoms.
It's pretty cake.
I was getting ready to go just there.
Yummy?
Wait a minute.
That's
Oi.
so funny. You could tell.
Yeah, I can tell.
So we didn't do it?
It really doesn't have to be like completely perfect.
Mommy, you said
Yeah, that's yummy.
you said me that
Oh, give this for mommy. Grandma.
one.
No, that only the grandma will just deliver it to me. Yummy. Dako kayo.
You said me that
Yeah, mommy
one.
will share.
Okay. Open that, Mama.
Pero excited pa mag-open this one ba? Simone siya guys. So, ano yung flavor sa likod? Cinnamon bun, Trillionaire, shortcake, rhubarb custard, salted caramel brownie, jaffa cake, Christmas mess, jam, roly-poly, maple flavor pecan. Si Ezekiel is so excited. Cute sa mga chocolate. Very cute. Na, ang excited ang Ezekiel. Hala, nag-una-una pa kaysa sa... Si Mada nagtanaw na. Dali na. Go pick one.
Ayos.
You like that one? Una pa ang lili birthday ba? Hala. Yours. Show ka mami. Yours. Nag-una. How about you, Matias? Which one you want? Kamatias kini ang napili. So, mommy will try maybe this red. Yan. You like it? As long as skin, they like it, Jod. How about you, Matias? Yummy? Ko kayo.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.